Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete tables in Notion. So let's get started. So here we are in Notion, and then from here we have some options on how we can delete the tables. For example, I have my database right here. So this is the article database, and it's currently in a table view. And then from here, in order for you to delete this, you have this option right here on the three dots on the top right of your screen. Click on that, and then from here you can click on delete view, and then this view would be deleted right here, and you would have the option to produce a new view if you would want that right here. But if this is not the deletion option that you are looking for, then your choice can be deleting the whole page itself. So you can just go here in the three dots right here and click on delete, and then you can just start fresh, and that way you would have more freedom on how you can customize your table or whatsoever. And for some instance, if you have a table like this that is looking like this, and then you want to delete this, then all you have to do basically is click here on the 6 dots right here at the side right there, and click on that, and then click on delete right here, and then now it's now deleted. So yeah, those are your options and how you can delete a table in Notion. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.